Hey everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite places in Orlando. It's Mead Botanical Garden. Very peaceful park, it's free, it's public, it's really beautiful, and I'm just going to do some photography because this is what makes me happy. And I kind of need a day like this to just be out in nature and be at peace. So that is what I'm doing. And I look forward to sharing it with you because if you haven't been to this park, it's a really great place. And Orlando's a pretty metropolitan city. It's hard to find parks this big, and it's one of Orlando's best kept secrets, I think. So I was using my Sony ZV-1 camera to vlog, but the battery died, and now I'm using my iPhone 13 mini. I always keep it in cinematic mode when I film because it usually works pretty well. I'm going to show you my camera and what I plan to do today. I have my trusty Nikon D3500. This is what I will be using to take photos today. It's about 9 a.m. and I think I've passed by about 10 different people that are doing nature photography. They've got the really big telephoto lenses for capturing animals and different things that are further away. So I moved away from that area because I don't really want to bother them, because I'm just here for fun. I'm not doing anything crazy professional. I used to come to this park a lot, and it's a bit nostalgic for me. Lots of memories here. But I definitely think I like coming in the morning better because it's not as crowded, it's not as hot. I'm going to show you guys a really good place to take photos. I think it's down this way to the right. There is a pavilion here where you can get married. Actually, I'm a little bit turned around. It's been a while since I've been here. I think it's to the left. They do weddings and different events up there. So there's a lot of wildlife out here in the morning. I've seen various birds, a bunch of squirrels, and multiple, and a bunny. So I know where I'm at now. I'm getting closer to the spot because there's this cut through. Go this way. Look at that. Somebody's going fishing right now. So this was the spot I was talking about, but it looks like they took the log away. That's unfortunate because it's a great photo opportunity, but the general frame is still there, so it's still a decent place to take a picture. As you're walking through these trails, you need to watch your step because many of the tree roots have crossed the path, but again, very peaceful. There's not a lot of people here, and there's lots of wildlife if you're into that kind of photography. So now I'm going to show you guys a more photogenic spot where it's not just trees, they've got some other things like rocks and statues. Alright, so I'm back towards the entrance where the parking lot's at. Those are some public restrooms. And then I'm gonna go towards the right. Over this way. There's additional parking in this little lot. But over here they have a small garden. Really great photo opportunities if you were to get married here or want to do engagement photo shoot or a family photo shoot. I see that a lot when I come here. So I'm gonna go this way. And I believe there's a little path to go down towards a lake. It's either this one or this one over here. Maybe, no, it's not this one. Is it this one? No, but you can go down there. Let's go this way. Just gotta be careful not to fall. So you could sit here, you can sit up there. There is more up there, but there are people up there and I don't really want to bother them and talk while filming. Looks like they're exercising. So I'll probably film when I go up there, but I'm not going to talk during that portion. I just realized I've never been here during the spring. I've only come in the fall and the winter, and it's way more lush and green, and it's not as dead. It's despite Florida being hot most of the year round, there's still seasons and it's showing through the plants. So they're not in bloom right now, but normally there are a ton of roses around here. But it's not the season currently. I didn't go around the entire park, just the areas I usually go to. I didn't want to stay too long. Really relaxing. I'll definitely come here again in the morning like this before it gets too hot, and during the spring because it's way greener than the other times I've been here.